In every prayer, when we say Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi saliheen, we offer salam and peace to all the righteous servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are known as the Saleh, Saleheen or Salehun. This includes all the pious believers throughout time who have sincerely followed the path of righteousness. This greeting and salam acknowledges their exemplary lives and their dedication to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And also this reflects the importance of connecting with righteous people across time, as their spiritual example inspires and guides us in our own worship and devotion. In the Quranic perspective, Saleh and Salehun refer to those who are righteous, virtuous, and those who act according to Allah's commands. As a servant of Allah progresses spiritually, they move from the basic practice of Islam to a deep belief, then to unwavering conviction, and further to personal experience. This experience transforms into profound knowledge, which evolves into genuine love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Eventually, this love leads to being loved by Allah, so the journey continues from actively seeking Allah to being sought by Allah. At this advanced stage, the person is always guided and protected by Allah. If they become careless, they are not abandoned. If they forget, they are reminded. If they fall asleep, they are awakened. If they become distracted, they are brought back to awareness. If they turn away, they are redirected. If they remain silent, they are inspired to speak. This constant vigilance and clarity reflect the purity of their heart, where their inner state is as visible as their outer actions. So it is essential for us to seek out such individuals who have lived in the past, are present now, and will emerge in the future. We honor them with peace and salam in each of our prayers. So we must try to become Saleh and righteous, because if we are Saleh, then we will be successful in the hereafter. Otherwise, there is no choice. And in order to become Saleh, we will have to work on ourselves. So by pursuing continuous spiritual growth, developing genuine love for Allah, seeking and being sought by Allah, embracing divine guidance, and maintaining inner purity and clarity, we can surely become righteous and Saleh. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the ability to be good and righteous and include us in the group of righteous people.